Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use Custom Path tool to make grooves, custom paths, or CNC wall panels. This tool can work with any components. Firstly, let's make a groove. But before that, we need to set up grooves in Setting. Go to Extensions, one click, and Setting. In Groove, set up the groove that you want to make. For example, I created a lead groove. Cut depth 10 mm, extend length 2 mm, extend groove width, tool number, cutting type pocket, and passes. Use SketchUp Line tool to draw the groove. Next, make group this groove. And when the groove is selected, select the tool Custom Path and select the panel. In a box, select the type to make, for example, lead groove. Hit OK, and the groove has been added to the panel already. Let's check in nesting. Here is a groove. And the tool paths. Now let's make a custom path. Also use SketchUp Line tool to draw on the panel. Then make group. When the path is selected, select the tool Custom Path. Select the panel. Then set up its properties. For example, name, tool number, cut depth 4, for example, passes 1, and cutting type. Hit OK. Lastly, let's make an example with CNC wall panels. Import the DXF file. Adjust it. Then explode it. And we need to check the lines again. Then make group. After that, use SketchUp Move tool. Move this pattern onto the panel. When the pattern is selected, hit Custom Path, then select the panel. Here we also adjust the properties. Cut depth 17.2, for example, and cutting type, cut inside. Now the pattern is already added to the panel. Let's test cutting simulation. Let's check. So this is how we use the custom paths tool. For more tool instructions, see you in the next videos.